right, so I just got back from the drift event. Honestly, I had an awesome day today. I didn't have any major issues. A couple small hiccups throughout the day. A few hours in, I ended up breaking the driver's side rear axle. So luckily, I brought a spare. I was able to swap that out in about 30 minutes or so. Other than that, I kind of screwed up my fender here. The tire was rubbing and broke the fiberglass, but I'll probably just notch it out. It's not a huge deal. Super happy with the way the car performed. All day. It was super powerful, no hiccups, no misfires, anything like that. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop it down in the comment section below. Leave me a like, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.